My name is Sandra Hudspeth, and I went on a 2-month mission trip. And I had to do some hiking, but one day we went on an official hike. I could not keep up with everyone else. I was struggling a lot, and everyone else was perfectly fine. And no one would stop so I could take a break, and it was terrible, and it made me realize how bad my health had gotten. So I came home determined to get fit and to get healthy, but I had no idea how. So I had tried bunches of different things in the past, and I was scrolling through Facebook one day and I saw Kaelin's video pop up, and out of curiosity I watched it. I decided to do the 7-day free trial, fully planning on canceling. But I saw how it had really changed women's lives. And I knew that that could be me if I was willing to give 100% to this.
That's awesome. So what's changed for you since then, Sandra?
Everything. It seems like every area of my life has been positively affected by this. So my relationships with people, my confidence, my personality, just every way I can think of in my everyday life.
Wow. So what have you had, I'm sure you have, but where have been for you your breakthrough moments, your ahas along the way, or a big one?
I definitely had a breakthrough at LadyBoss Live. I was struggling with some I guess you could say self-centeredness in recent times, and something Kaelin said really stuck out to me, and I had my breakthrough and the tools that I needed to be able to change that.
Nice. What was that? I'm curious.
Blame. So blaming other things. Schoolwork is a high priority in my life, but I had gotten my priorities out of order, and I had my schoolwork and my goals my number one over my friends and my family, and it was starting to affect how I treated them. And I realized those things that I were putting first, you know, I felt obligated, like I had to do my best, I had to get this stuff done. And I realized, no, I was blaming those things. Like, I can't hang out with my family because I have to do this. I was blaming those things. And once I broke through that, it just totally blew my mind.
Wow. So now you're taking control back.
Yes, I actually wrote out my plan of action.
Good for you. I love that. I love that. That's so cool. What do you say, because this is the reason we're doing this, is there's going to be a lot of ladies that haven't jumped in, they're still blaming others and making excuses, and they need the help. What do you say to someone who's not sure what's right, or if LadyBoss is right? What do you tell someone in that position that's still stuck?
I would say to just jump in and to try it, because these group of ladies are so positive and so encouraging and loving. They're not going to hurt you. They're going to lift you up. You know, it's not like other programs where, you know, you can just fall off the wagon and, you know, nobody knows about it. You have people who have your back and support you and truly care about you.
That's amazing. And what's been the most fun out of all of this, being a LadyBoss?
Most fun. I would say all the positivity that's been brought into my life. I used to have negative self-talk in my head every moment of every day, and now I exchange that voice for positive self-talk. And now every day I feel happy. Even when things are going wrong or bad, like I might be upset for like a brief second, but then it's gone. And it's just, I've never lived life like just being happy almost every single day, like even in bad circumstances, because I know I'm in control.